Hey everyone, Ralph here from East Coast Classics with another truck. This one here is an 84 K10 Scottsdale. Really nice looking truck. The interior's been redone. I do have to note these things, they came damaged, so they're on their way. The poles on there, they're on their way. The interior's been redone on this truck as well. You know, limited. It's got a dashboard was redone, as was the seat. This whole trim piece, all of that stuff is new. It has the gauges also, really nice shape. Actually, those have been replaced as well. It's got a classic auto air, brand new system. It's got this Alpine radio in it. Tachometer there for its nice high performance motor, which I'll show you guys in just a few. It does have a nice little kicker sub slash system. You can see it back here. Nice little subwoofer, nice amplifier, clean install. I'm gonna take you for a quick walk around of the car before we start her up. I will note it does have some rust. Now, the rust is limited to the cab area. It's got, I'm just gonna be videotaping it so you guys can see. And in the rockers as well. However, under the car, with the exception of these brackets that hold the exhaust in place, where, I'm sorry, that's the gas tank. With the exception of that, it's really limited to the cab. You know, you have a little bit around here, you have some back here, a lot more in the pictures. It's got some nice 15-inch rally wheels on some 33, 10, 50, 15 Toyos on it. I think it may have had a camper or something on it at one point. I don't know what those marks are. It definitely had an old school light bar on it and a toolbox. I'm going to show you over here too. See, it's got its little rust there. And here, oops, sorry about that, into the rocker. Go back this way, the bottom of the doors, and I'll show you the other door in a second also. The bottom of the doors are clean. Anything that you see that looks rusty on the bottom, what you're looking at is surface rust down here. The truck's actually really clean on the bottom. The frame is nice and solid. No issues there whatsoever. Let me show you. Oh, it's got this here on this door. This is the driver's side door. I'm going to go under. You can see there's no rust. Sorry, out of focus. But there's no rust down there. And now we'll start her up. This engine was just completely rebuilt. It's a 400. And it's got the Edelbrock kit on the top end of it, MSD ignition, the nicer valve covers on it, ceramic coated heads. It's got MSD, the big spark plug wires, brand new alternator, like I said, brand new AC. All the lines are also brand new in the AC, all the way back there. And as I said, this engine has just been rebuilt. Maybe it has 100 miles on it since the rebuild, so it's still going through its braking phase. Close that up. And there you have it, guys. You get to see what it sounds like back here too. Sounds nice and tough. By the way, brand new exhaust down the middle with an H pipe. It's got dual tips, one on this side, one on the other side. Truck runs perfectly. AC cools really, really well. You know, outside of the little rust issues, I would say that this truck is just damn near perfect. It's a great truck. It rides great. It's fun to have, but it's ready for its new caretaker. If you have any questions, feel free to go to www.eastcoastclassics.com. You could also give me a call. My name is Ralph. You could reach me at 786-227-6975 for more information. Thanks for looking.